but now I'm mad about that. I was sorry about that bitch, but now I'm mad about that. Bitch, I'm mad about that. This bitch mistake me for a broke. Bitch, I'm mad about that. Bitch, I'm mad about that. Why you try to steal my flow? Bitch, I'm mad about that. Bitch, I got cars up to my feet.
Oh! I knew that would happen at least once.
All right, guys, another day, well, another night, another meet. So we're about to head out to meet. We got the new soup and the old soup. So we're gonna pull up in twin and pop our hood so we can flex our engine base.
It happened after you hit a bump?
Yeah. Maybe the pump just went bad. Nah, they usually just die slowly though.
I know.
The belt still on there?
Yeah. No way Ethan's power steering pump dies before mine.
Is that why you flash your hazards? No, I flash hazards.
What do you think of the rap? You think you re-rap it for me?
Bro, this one? Hell no.
Bro,
Dude,
everyone said this is the top 3 hardest bumpers to rap.
Bro, it's so fast you blew the paint off, bro. That's crazy.
Yeah, I don't know how you do this rap shit, bro. Like,
I don't know. This shit makes me want to quit rapping. Bro. Like, damn.
I want to quit rapping. I didn't even start, bro.
Do the same thing to RX-7. Get the spray paint.
Oh, the spray.
It'll be alright.
It'll be
white,
good.
right?
Yeah, you're right.
It's white. It's fine.
Yeah, some Rust-Oleum.
Comp individual.
Comp individual. I'm a BMW boy now, so I can relate. I can relate. Ooh.
Hey, you already joined us, bro. That's super.
I know. I'm a BMW Supra guy now.
Yeah, 3 liters single
Yes,
turbo.
sir.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm a reskin Z4. Oh shit! You got this? Yours?
Yeah. Type shit. Yeah,
I
had it towed out, bro.
Put me on.
So I scam people. Yeah.
Crypto? Crypto.
I'm about to start a coin, bro. Oh my god. I feel too poor to even like look at this car right now. I feel like I can't look at it for more than 10 seconds. Sit on air? Oh. Same value, to be honest. All right, guys, we're now at a, we teleported to a private lot. I'm pretty sure the time for today is probably around, give or take, 1 or 2 minutes because there's other people here. I think they're actually legally allowed to be here. But yeah, we're just gonna, you know, Devin's got his drift car, so we're gonna see what can happen. Also, these lines are literally from the last time we were here. Dude, this two-way's so quiet. Pretty good. That was good. Yeah, I don't know about this one, guys. I'm not gonna lie. This one's kind of tough to swing. I don't know if I can do it.
Bro, I almost just shit myself. I thought he was about to eat that wall.
I did too. I thought he got lost.
Look at the smoke.
Oh.
Bro, we couldn't see you. You literally smoke screen.
Bro, it shifted to like 4th gear. And it like, oh my god, oh my god, dude.
Wait, you didn't drive it in manual? I thought you were gonna eat the wall.
I don't know. Dude.
I thought, yeah.
What's going on, guys? We got the POV. We got Ethan in the car. We're gonna fill up gas. It's currently not that late. All right, it's pretty late. It's like 11:50, but luckily I have, oh, sorry. Yeah, luckily I have a valved exhaust, so it shouldn't be that loud. All right, never mind. It's kind of loud, but air up real quick. Yeah, I'm just about to show Ethan how quick it is on its current power level. I'm currently on E50, so I have half ethanol in the system. This is how I look like when I drive, though. It
look really cool.
I know, it's really it's hella goofy, dude. But yeah,
on your nose,
dude. I know. But yeah, this little dashboard here. So this is like what I have set up so far. So I have my ethanol content and my oil temps, and my, I don't know if this is actual boost gauge. I don't know. This does make sense. This makes sense.
You're making 15 psi idle.
Caleb's like, yeah, that
atmosphere. So that is.
Huh?
You're making 1 atmosphere right now.
Wait,
no,
what?
Wait, what's 1 atmosphere?
14.7 psi.
14.7. Yeah. So you're making 0.2 pounds of boost right now, because 1 atmosphere is natural, isn't it? Like the world is at one atmosphere, which is 14.7.
Oh.
Soon, bro.
Yeah, soon, dude.
Together.
I don't even know what road, like what'll grip hook on, honestly.
What this will hook on right now?
Yeah.
Nothing. It's too late.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I could like warm up the tires, low key.
You could warm up the tires. Unironically, that would probably help.
Really?
I mean, it actually probably would.
Dude, I'm scared to turn the stability control off. I'm just gonna do like a fat ass.
Just do a standing, like.
Just do a standing. Hey, low key would do it.
It would, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, turn the traction off. I don't know how degenerate this is, but we have proper oil temps. Yeah, we are. Wait, let me
Middle lane.
Yeah, let me get in the middle of the road, and there's no one around me. Okay. Go ahead, officer, whoever that is.
Got a second.
Dude, it just loses.
Through your phone.
Yeah, it just loses all.
No, you can't do like a pull straight. You gotta, like, do like a brake boost.
Oh, okay.
From like a stop.
To warm up the tires.
Yeah,
does this thing have a defroster? Yeah, it does. Hold on, let me.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it's a little bit too much.
That just doesn't even feel. That's like not controllable.
No, it's not. I can't control it. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. So like a brake boost, like.
I mean, I would do it from if you're trying to just do a burnout. Yeah, do it from a stop though.
Okay.
If you do it while you're moving, it's just gonna.
Yeah, it's dude, I'm not gonna lie, like, this is a big thing about Supras, BMWs, is when you like get used to the VSC, like the dynamic stability control and all this, and then you turn it off and then you just full send it. Like, that's how people crash, right? That's literally how people crash. Because they get used to all these safeties, the system braking for you, the diff cutting out, things like that. Like, when you turn all that off, it just
there. I mean,
if you didn't, if I didn't let it off, I'd be in the wall right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. All right, I'm gonna turn this thing around. I don't even know if I don't think I can warm up the tires enough, but I'll do a pull like with the stability control back on.
Yeah, that's not gonna really spin them much, but yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's probably fine now.
Yeah, I mean, I spun them a good amount there.
I wonder what that looked like. What gear were you in?
Fourth.
Fourth?
I was in fourth gear.
So you probably did actually do a pretty sizable burnout. Yeah. That's the weird thing about this car, is you don't really feel anything.
No, I know, right? It doesn't feel that violent, and that's why it could really slip out under you, like, if you don't know.
Like, I felt it, like...
I mean, it was slipping for sure. We for sure didn't have traction, so...
I don't think you could.
Dude, that guy might be faster than me.
He might be.
Shit. Yeah, no. The Mustang wheels.
Calves, dude, look at them.
Yeah, those are the chaos.
Those are the new ones too. Those are the ones that works releasing. Yeah.
Dude, he got them before anyone else did.
Yeah.
He must have got the pre-order.
5x4.5 or whatever.
Yeah. It just doesn't grip up, bro. Like once that boost kicks in. All right, yeah, okay. Let me turn so we don't die. Let me turn yeah, I'm gonna turn the everything, all the safeties back on, so we can like not die. Okay.
It's so crazy. It's just so insane.
Let me get in a straight so I can like do an actual pull.
You do on the street or on the highway?
I think this is basically a highway, right? I mean.
Yeah. I guess when it straightens up.
Yeah.
It'll get your heart going in a different way than the JDM stuff.
That's what I'm saying. It's just not hooking. It's just absolutely not hooking. Yeah, I mean, it kind of doesn't hook, but yeah.
This is just.
I mean, it's
not even a car. Like, it doesn't fit the definition of what any car we've ever had is.
It's a little, yeah, it's just a little ridiculous. It just smells like rubber now.
Holy crap, man. It's just so insane.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much. I do have some good news. Finally got my ECU back and my injectors back from Lamar, as well as Griffin's ECU, so now I can throw these back up on the market. I wasn't actually using them for my car, but they're just extra parts I had that I could like sell some for a good chunk of change of cash, I'm not gonna lie. And then I could throw it into my RX-7 or my R32 or something like that. Just some extra change that would be nice to have. So, but yeah, as you guys can see, I love this car so much. I actually read all the comments from the last video, and I summarized some of the questions or concerns people had for me buying the Supra, just so you guys have the answers, you know what I'm saying? And there are a lot of people that are like, you don't owe anyone an explanation. Well, honestly, like, definitely wouldn't be in this position without you guys. So yeah, I don't know. I feel like I owe it to you guys. So the first question is, why did I buy an automatic Mark V? And in all honesty, the manual ones were going for over 65 grand from a dealership, because that's pretty much the only place you can buy them. And I didn't want to pay 65K plus sales tax and all the fees. You know, I would have had to probably finance it partially. And I wanted to own the car outright. So I bought a used 2020 automatic. The second reason for me buying an automatic is that you guys see me on camera, like obviously driving like, you know, the speed limit and, you know, as an enthusiast basically, but most of the time I'm just getting groceries, waking up at 8:30 every day, Monday through Friday, and I have to go to work. I have to sit in traffic. I'm seeing my parents, I'm visiting my parents, my grandma, something like that. And it's nice not having like a stage 3 clutch in my R32, you know, that destroys my calves every time I drive it. So the next general question is, why did I buy this as a daily? Why didn't I go out and buy like, I don't know, like a Camry or something like that and put the money into my other project cars? In all honesty, I've wanted something newer and nicer. I thought if I was gonna buy a daily, it might as well be something sporty that I could daily, that I also like, that I could also make content out of. That's pretty much like why I bought it as a daily. And the last, this is, man, okay, this is kind of a valid question due to my past, but a lot of people were asking, why did I buy a modified one? It's gonna blow up, won't it be unreliable? I'm gonna tell you guys one thing. This 2020 18,000 mile Mark V Supra is not the same as a 1989 R32 GTR or a 1993 RX-7 FD, okay? Like, you're comparing apples, no, it's not even apples to oranges. They're not even within the same league. The RB26 and the 13B are vastly different from the B58, okay? BMW put a lot of R&D into making the B58 like a beefy motor. And you guys may think, oh, it's modified, like it's pushing more than stock power. The thing about that is the B58s can take it. There have been people running 700, 800, even 900 wheel horsepower stock unopened B58s for years now. You push over 500, 600 wheel horsepower on a stock RB26, you're sending a piston through the block, man. You guys know what I'm saying? I've done it. I've done it twice on each of my motors, okay? I've earned my stripes with my old cars, okay? That RB26 has been blown twice. I paid for 2 rebuilds. 13B in my RX-7 blown up twice. I paid for 2 rebuilds. I've spent the money. I've gone through thick and thin. I've gone through hell with those cars financially. So I feel like I earned this, you know what I'm saying? I just want a reliable, beefy B58 motor built by BMW. Even though it's built by BMW, I don't care as long as it works. And for the second reason, it's pretty much I got it for a really, really good price. I will tell you guys right now, if you go online and look up like stock Mark V Supras 2020s with around my mileage, I'll tell you right now, for this fully modified one, I got it for around or less than those listing prices. So I'm not gonna say how much, but got it for like a really, 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 really good deal. So anyways, thanks for sticking to the end of the video, guys. And if you guys want to support the channel, we still have the merch available. I'll put the link in the description down below. But yeah, have a good week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.